Michael Mamula, what a block by EG.
Dapat mabilis kayo.
Lamang Castro.
The recovery. If that is any other, and reviews spell a lot because he goes first on Cavite.
Again, or...
6 blocks.
Oh, what?
With the steal.
Oh!
May tawag doon, pero ang ganda ng timing. Look at that.
Oh, another block.
Yeah, there's the drive by Renz. 1-2, and there's the final defender ang ating SCD Sunblock. Super swat of the night, Iggy Mojica.
Yes. Talao has ball right now in his return to Martin. This is Bonnie Sanchez and CCBJ. That was the back today. Away to get a welcome here in this game para kay
Marilao, he can fly, the timing. Gabat.
Ito nga, pinakita niya yung daan ng Gabat. Pero, tukin. Finish. Showing the touches, Mojica from the inside, and this time.
Nila na malapit yung tira.
Ito, malayong tira, Papa Bear. Kay Mojica, pero wala.
Na ang kalamangan ng San Juan Kings.
Tingnan mo, Papa Bear, 10 points, 2 rebounds, 2 out of 3 from the 3-point line para dito kay Iggy Boy Mojica. Grabe.
Grabe, lahat sila. Ang ganda ng performance. At nakikita natin talagang gustong-gusto.
Mojica from the corner. Iggy, iingay na ang break niya, Papa Bear. But Iggy, just as also is the key consultant nitong San Juan Kings ng third quarter. As both
Pamilya na binalik dito.
Mojica!
In generating baskets because he has a guy like Chris Beton making
Court para sa game na to, every game. So ayun.
air ball, rebound, and the putback for Egypt in that.
Wamar to Mojica.
I actually like the irony of that before. Again, fourth turnover again. Mojica to try to capitalize. He scores. Marvin goes to Mojica. He has that shot, top of the key, three-pointer. As we take a look at this replay, it's EG Boy Mojica challenging the defense of Marvin Santos. Bit of a late closeout there by the Spider-Man. And Mojica salutes to the crowd. Now let's also salute.
Kasi talaga nangyari kay EG Boy eh. Nadagdagan yung klase ng game niya, tapos yung maturity niya.
Nice block by Mojica, but Balti recovers with...
Mojica fires. Favorite. Gets it to Mojica for 3. Yes, sir.
The San Juan Knights.
And Edgy Boy Mojica.
They're really making sure na all 3 quarters they're winning.
Problema dito, just one opportunity as well as Mojica to Mojica. Libre for 3. Yes, sir.
At saka, motivate lang din kami nila Senat